loves, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So loves, I had just posted a video and it was me doing these nails. It was this one, and I also have the red one that I did on, and I was showing y'all how easy it was to do the dip method with powder dip, doing your full set, and also just adding a little color. I did want to jump back on here and show you too that you can also add glitter over it and make that pink pop, because if you go back and look at my video, it was a regular pink and I just added the glitter over it. But also I wanted to show you something really quick. Say you got like a plain design like this and you're still in your beginner stages and you was like, oh, I want to do me something, add me some little art to it. Well, they have the 3D pieces, of course, that you can buy, which y'all already know. I'm going to say on Amazon. And you can actually glue some of the flowers, you know, anything that you really like, and just add it to the center, which would be like right here. You know, the designer to make it pretty, or put it around a cuticle or here, wherever you want to. But in this case, with this nail itself, I'm going to add a flower here and then add the top coat and just show you how quick and how fast you can just add a little bit of art to a set, and it'll go a long way, okay? So the only things you need for this is some Beauty Secret nail glue, or you can use the gel, and the gel glue actually works best. I don't have it on hand because I hopped back on camera because I just wanted to show you this real quick. And so the color we're going to be using is like the red color that's here, and let me show it to you. And I'm going to put it in my hand. I know my hand is kind of on the dry side for real, but that is it. And so all we're going to do is basically take the Beauty Secret gel. Let me tell y'all something too. This Beauty Secret, the styling nail gel glue, it really does work. It really does. It looks kind of gunky right now, but all I'm going to do is take it and put it right here. Put enough right there for that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my flower. We're just going to add that art right there on top of it. We're going to let it sit. Okay? And while I let that sit to dry, I'm going to take my top coat, and I'm just putting this back on here. Y'all, and this really helps to keep it from clogging. So when you get a chance, go to Sally's and get you some of this glue. It really does work. Alright, and the next thing you want to do is take your Bettles top gel glue. I said top gel glue, excuse me. Your top gel coat, just to make that nail pop and have that shine to it. And once again, I mentioned in a previous video, glitter always brings a nail to life. So instead of just doing a simple flower like this, you can also get you some silver, gold, whatever color you're aiming for, and just add it on your nail and just use it and make it and put it onto the nail to make that design pop. Okay? Alright, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cure this so you can see it, but just adding something simple goes a long way. And once again, this right here was just a plain pink, and I just added some glitter over it. Okay, it's just simple things to do. And these colors of these little flowers are so pretty. They got like blue and red. It's just like a lot of pretty colors. And of course I would do a lot more to the nail. I was just showing you something simple that you can do. Say if you want to just add it on one finger and do the rest just one color. Just so it won't be so plain, you know. This is your first full set as a beginner. Okay. I'm waiting for this to cure and I'll be right back, okay? Okay, loves, and I'm back. And I did have like a little idea when I was off camera. I was like, let's add a little gold to it. And so that's how it turned out. So you had that pretty flower at the top, and then you just got like that little streak of gold right there on that side. And that quick, you just added, do a little art to your finger, you know, to the nail, so it won't be so plain. Literally, I feel like anybody can do this. You know, anybody can do their own nails. Anybody can do anything they set their mind to, you know. But I hope the videos are very helpful. And once again, I just hopped back on here just to show y'all a real quick video of just adding simple nail art, even polish to the simple color to your nails after you get done doing your first full set, and how pretty and easy and quick it can turn out. Okay, and that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope y'all have a blessed and safe one. Thank you. Till next time.